What's good, everyone? We're coming back again today, but today we're going to do a slightly unique kind of kick. Today we're going to talk about the spinning roundhouse kick or the tornado kick. So this kick is a little more advanced. So I'm going to break it down in a few easy steps. Step number one, instead of just going straight up like our roundhouse kick, we're going to actually turn the opposite way. We're going to turn and just step forward. That's it. That's all we're going to do. And we're going to step forward. And same thing with our roundhouse kick. We're going to twist our hip and pivot our foot. Just like that. And from there, I'm going to show you guys a little faster of what it's going to look like. So we're going to step forward and we're going to kick. Once you got that down, then we're going to add the jump. We're just going to slowly bounce. I'm going to show you guys first. We're going to swing our knee up. And from here, and kick. So you see that little jump that we added? So I'm going to break it down for you. Right leg will spin up. And from here, just like the double roundhouse kick, we're just going to twist our hip and kick the bag. Just like that. So when we're going to go at full speed, we're going to bounce, and boom! Just like that. And if you like that, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.